Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make my popular and highly requested macaroni salad. It's going to be great for your cookouts and potlucks, and the best part of this recipe is that I'm not just showing you your carby one, I'm also going to show you how to cut those carbs and have an equally and delicious flavor. So if you're interested, keep watching. That's so good. Okay friends, let me go over the ingredients that we're going to be using. I have a red bell pepper, and you really want to use that one for this particular salad. I grated some carrots, okay? And all your ingredients and details are going to be in the description. You don't have to screenshot it anymore. I heard you. I'm with you. I chopped cabbage here, and the cabbage option is going to be up to you, but you're going to see that if you're using this for parties, you're going to want to use a lot of cabbage for the filler, and it's a healthier filler. So chop that up really fine. I chopped it up exactly how I did it for the tostitos preparados, which is a Mexican tostito snack.
But I have a question for you. Did you wash your vegetables?
Girl, I washed all. Here's the thing. I get here from the grocery store. My island's pretty huge. I disperse and I wash and I put it. I spend a lot of time washing my things. So when they're in the refrigerator, it's very rare that I have a vegetable that's not washed. And that's usually if like grandma goes out and gets something and she puts it in the refrigerator. I'm like, Mom, you didn't wash it?
Yep.
But all my ingredients are washed. Maybe not how you like them, but they're clean.
Woo.
So I'm gonna go ahead and add all my veggies in here. Is that sexy enough for you, Cloud?
That is sexy. You know how I feel about vegetables?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Vegetables and books. Let's do this.
I usually use a bigger bowl, but right now, if it doesn't fit here, we're gonna have to make it comfortable for our home, okay guys?
You're not switching that bowl out on me.
Okay, so go ahead and add your peas. If you guys don't like peas, you can chop up some celery, finely chopped celery, and add it in here, because I know some people are very particular about it. How do I know? Because I have a family member that is not crazy about them. And me, I'm passionate about them.
Shout out to my daughter for eating peas in her life.
Hey, I wasn't going to say anything, but since you're already there.
She just eats around them.
She does. She'll move them to the side whenever I make it. She's like, don't worry about it, Nina.
I stretched today so my knee's not popping.
You embarrassed yourself the other day.
I made someone laugh.
Okay, friends. Paprika. Onion powder. And you don't want to chop up onion and put it in here because onion tends to spoil certain dishes. So just use your onion powder for this one. Garlic powder. You use fresh garlic, it's going to become like, eh. You're not going to be happy. You need more of like a vinaigrette type of salad for that. I have one for you if you want it. Salt and pepper to taste. But you guys already know, if you have no idea how to start, I give you a starter recipe. And then we're gonna add our mayo. If you're trying not to use that much mayo, start off with like half a cup and then put like 1/4 of a cup of water and mix it around really well. So that way you can dilute it a little bit and you use less mayonnaise if you're watching yourself, okay?
Got it.
This is a recipe that I make, I would say at minimum twice a month, because my family really loves this recipe and it goes really well with a lot of dishes, not just for cookouts and parties and potlucks and things like that. It works for a lot of things. Did you guys see my plate got all cloudy? Got all cloudy in here.
Oh, cloudy.
Oh, cloudy.
One day we'll tell you the real reason why she makes fun of me and says, oh, cloudy.
My goodness, you guys. You're throwing me out there like that, Cloud. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out half of this delicious mixture. Not even half, just a little bit. And now we're going to be adding elbows of your little macaroni, and this is just boiled exactly how the directions are in the box. You can't fail this one. You follow the directions, okay? So let's go ahead and add that really slowly and with love. If you guys are taking this for a real big gathering, you're gonna need about 2-3 boxes or triple your portion. This salad is a top seller. It's summertime, guys. My house is active. My kids are pretty well behaved, but they're spicy and wild, and I love it. Okay?
They've been sweet little angels. I'm always gonna say that.
Yeah, well, I told them that I was gonna take them to Dairy Queen today, so they're really excited about it. Aww. They've been working so hard, and so have I. We've been doing really good with their school.
They've been reading a lot.
Yes, we have.
That's awesome.
It's because I've been restricting the iPad time, guys.
Yeah, that's smart.
All of a sudden, I was talking and they weren't listening or even looking at me, and I'm like, no. You gotta look at mama.
Well, you're doing a good job because I had the little one reading to me, and Bayo was writing paragraphs of what he read.
Really? Hold on just a second. Mm-hmm. And this is where you want to make it comfortable for your home. I can keep the portions that I used, but then after, you guys just have to start adding in whatever you like. And for me, I need a little bit more paprika because my family, they really love how red it turns.
But girl, was that Hungarian paprika?
No, that was not Hungarian paprika. Quit playing, girl. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper. I'm loving all your comments. One of the comments that I wanted to talk to you guys about that really filled my heart, and I was just like, you know, I get mushy. When you said that you wanted me to have my own cooking channel, but you didn't want me to leave YouTube. Because I know a lot of people, they get a lot of opportunities. And I've said it from the beginning. You guys built this platform. I ain't going anywhere. If they want me on a cooking show, I'll go and show up. But hey, I have the same hours in a day as Beyonce. Ooh. And I'm going to show up. Love hanging out with you guys. Alright, so that's how you make this delicious salad. And I can't even stand you guys. I'm gonna be honest, because you guys ragged on me so bad yesterday for blowing on the mango salsa. It's because of Korean spoons. I naturally want to blow. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
that's funny.
All right, so I'm gonna bring. Well, I just transfer it back over here, okay? Mm-hmm. And let me show you the secret ingredient. The secret ingredient is you always. You know that, but I roasted a spaghetti squash. They tend to be a little pricey per pound in certain places, so if you're gonna get some, just get the smaller one. You should be okay. Ooh. And that's how you're gonna cut some calories. I know my ladies out there, you guys are still, ladies and gents, you're still trying to get healthy for your family and for yourselves. So this is a recipe and this is a portion you want to eat. And I absolutely love spaghetti squash. I've done it for the Alfredo, with Alfredo, and substituted, and I like it better than the zoodles. Has more flavor.
I can't eat zoodles.
I know you can.
I wish I could.
If you guys are new to the channel, please take the time to subscribe. Please know that I do authentic home cooking. This is not your super culinary chef. I am a chef, but I'm a home cooking type of chef, okay? I'd like to fill your hearts, see you happy, and seeing you with your family makes me happy. So, that's how I need to taste this. Hold on. All right, I'm really excited for this one because I love spaghetti squash, as I mentioned. Squash.
It's custom. You should blow on that spoon. It's custom now. Blow on the spoon before you eat.
Girl, I like the crunch that it gives. Now let me go ahead and try my pasta one because this one is.
You really don't miss the pasta in that.
You're not gonna miss the pasta. So whenever you guys see in the thumbnails in the future and there's 2 plates, that means that I have a different version for you guys in case you're scrolling through my thumbnails. I see you scrolling. Well, I don't really see you, but I know you guys scroll and ignore me half the time.
Nobody's ignoring you.
That's what happens to mom. We get ignored all the time. That's okay. I'm very patient for you. Girl.
You're talking with your mouth open. Someone's gonna get really upset.
Well, I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. I'm home cooking.
Okay, maybe I do sometime. Maybe I'll do half pasta and half.
No, I'm not missing. I actually gravitated more towards this one.
The pasta's comforting from like cookouts, you know?
All right, guys, that's exactly how we make these delicious pastas. That's really close.
okay. You know how intimate I like to be.
I want to thank you guys so much for joining. If you're new to the channel, please take the time to subscribe. Click that bell for notifications. And leave me your comments. I really enjoy reading them. Claude and I have been reading them together recently, so you get both of us reading your comments. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Adios! And don't forget, I'm going to put a playlist at the end that's going to be the cookout. Those are the ones you can take to your potlucks and cook in bulk, okay? Alright, that's it. This pasta is so creamy. And even with the spaghetti squash, you guys, the creaminess that comes through, especially with the spaghetti squash one, oh heavens. Bendito. You guys know I get happy. I fit into my Daisy Dukes today, you guys.
Hey, let's see. Ooh, nice shirt.
Oh, thank you, thank you.